What's up everybody and welcome to Get Your Shots, brought to you by Cameras Africa. So today I have something, well, let me call it a hack for every professional photographer and videographer out there. When it comes to Canon cameras, more specifically the ones under between the mid-range and the semi-pro range, you have a really good camera in hand, for example here with the 90D. But something that really pisses me off about the mid-range and the semi-pro Canon cameras is that most of them, no, all of them don't come with a cinematic camera color profile, which is kind of the opposite when it comes to things like Sony. For example, you have the Sony a6400, which in such a small light crop sensor, technically mid-range body, you have something that has the capability of shooting in complete neutral with a really good flat profile for post-production, which is not available in Canon. I mean, technically you could go into the settings, shoot to neutral profile and play around with the settings like lowering the strength of the sharpness to get something more flat, but that again is still not enough, especially when you want to go into professional color grading in post-production. So today I'm here to show you another hack that gives you a really nice flat profile so that you can get the most out of the color science out of your camera. And it's as simple as this. When you get your camera, be it a 90D, be it any EOS camera that's compatible with EOS utility on your computer, all you need to do is literally hook it up, download the Technicolor Cinestyle Color profile from the website, have the latest version of EOS utility, and from there on, I'll just screen record and show you guys. Okay, so in order for you to install the Technicolor Cinestyle Color profile on your EOS camera, you're going to want to connect either via USB cable or via the Wi-Fi or LAN network settings on your camera. Connect them onto the Wi-Fi through your PC. Now, after you've connected, what you're going to want to do is open the EOS utility software. I'm using EOS utility 3.0, which is the latest one. And you're going to want to go to where you're going to want to open the software, EOS utility, have it running. And as soon as you've opened it, connect to your camera with any Canon EOS camera. It could be the 90D. In my specific reason, I'm using the 90D. And as soon as you open it up, it's going to give you three options, which is download images, remote shooting, and camera settings. What you're going to do is you're going to click on remote shooting. And in the pop-up menu that pops up, you're going to go to the shooting menu, click on register user defined style. As soon as it pops up, you're going to, in the drop-down folder that pops up, there's user defined 1, 2, and 3. In user defined 1, you're going to open the folder for browse, that is. Go to the place on your PC where you've downloaded the Technicolor Cinestyle. For mine, it's in the downloads. Open it up and select open on the Technicolor PF2 file. As soon as you click open, it'll load up on the register picture style file. You're going to click OK. And there you have it. As soon as you've done that, the moment you go back to your camera, you're going to notice that when you go into your menu and you go to select the color profile that you would like to shoot on, you will have the option of using the user-defined Cinestyle on your camera. And that's literally it. And the beauty of the fact that this is a really nice flattened out image is that it allows you to have a higher dynamic range and to pull better color grading and to pull more detail and quality out of the shadows and highlights. And that basically means you can match this up to higher, more professional cinema quality cameras, and it also gives you more room to play with, especially in post-production for both photo and video, and that means that you get the most out of your camera. That being said, this was Get Your Shots.